Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer laughed.
Okay, quick video to show the FancyRabbit turntable that we just got. Setup was clean and simple out of the box. You had to assemble the belt for the drive and balance the arm on the needle here, but other than that, everything was clean and simple. Very good instructions that came with it. You can turn it on right here, and that'll set the volume. And then once you take the clip off the arm and lower it down, you can move it on over to the record. And once you see it go over the record itself, it starts turning. So we're good there. It's got speakers in the front, as you can tell. It sounds pretty good. Not super deep bass, but other than that, it's plenty loud to get the volume to fill a room up without any problem. So overall, so far, been very pleased with it. And even Snoop Dogg says, "Hey, we're good." So that's that. Enjoy it.
So here is my FancyRabbit hi-fi system. I'm testing it on a 33 RPM record that has a significant warp to it. I'll start by unlatching the arm, moving it over, lowering the arm. It slowly lowers down onto the record, and then go ahead and turn the volume on, and it will start spinning. And it's able to play it just fine, despite that warp. And then to stop playing, I can just raise the arm, and it raises off the record, move it over, and close it. And it automatically stops spinning. And then to resume, you can just move it over to wherever you need, lower the arm, and it starts. This thing gets pretty loud if you turn it all the way up. Yeah, it seems to work great. You can just lower the lid, and it plays.
This cool little lever locks the needle and turn the unit on. Put this up. Turntable starts going. Put this lever down, it goes perfectly. do. I love this.
Love me do. Oh, love me do. Dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I
So honey, please don't be that way. As long as we see it through, you have me, I'll have you, sweetheart. Tomorrow is another day. Don't break my heart. Oh, honey, please don't be that way.
Let me tell you about the FancyRabbit turntable. It has everything you would expect in a turntable. It has Bluetooth input. It has connection for auxiliary input by wired. It has, of course, connection for speakers, external speakers. But what it has that you wouldn't expect is incredible sound. From fairly small speakers in the front, the sound sounds like it's coming from monster, expensive speakers. I'm really impressed, and when you get one, you will be too. If you're looking for a turntable, this is the one you want, the FancyRabbit.
It's a gas.
it's never safe for us, not even in the evening, 'cause I've been drinking.
Keep your helmet, keep your lives on. Just a flesh wound. Here's your rifle.
Now that I escape, sleep, walk away. Those who correlate know the world ain't kick. Jail bars ain't golden gates. Those who fake, they break. When they meet their 400-pound rate, if I could rule the world, everyone would have a gun and together, of course, we get the up and on their horse.
In all the same old places. Found the bottom of the bottle's always dry. There's no growth.
I just want you to understand that the process continues when you're in the house. And you shouldn't waste your time. You're here. 2 days, people. Step it up. You gotta.
What I can do though is shake out the martini just a bit and the juices from. See if I can think of another animal.
Working 9 to 5, what a way to make a living. Getting by, it's all taking and no
Salgo en las noches a llorar mi locura.
It's boxed really well.